Following our first blog on digital tax accounts, we now turn to look at the Treasury's vision for this significant change in the tax system. If you would like to watch our first video blog, please go to our video channel on YouTube. Please join me on the other side of the following statement. The Treasury's view is set out in their leaflet, Making Tax Digital, which is fronted by David Gork MP, who is the Financial Secretary to the Treasury. This document upsells what HMRC believes to be the benefits to taxpayers, whilst at the same time dismissing the problems that this will cause those in business in particular, whilst glossing over the main agenda of what digital tax accounts are about, namely enabling them to collect substantially more tax quicker, cheaper and much easier. And no doubt eventually it will be enforced by a series of time limits and penalties, as of all other digital initiatives introduced by HMRC over the years. In his foreword he says, "In every walk of life people are embracing the digital revolution. As a consequence, the government intends to make fundamental changes to the way the tax system works. By 2020, he states, they will eradicate bureaucratic form filling. Taxpayers will no longer have to tell HMRC information that it already knows. They will eliminate time delays as the tax system works more closely to real time. And, as a consequence, everybody will be kept up to date, which reduces the risk of penalties due to them missing deadlines. And taxpayers will have access to all this information, which will bring to an end to the need for tax returns." They say that the government is committed to reducing burdens for taxpayers. 2 million business owners, they say, are already using their digital tax accounts. And they have also introduced digital accounts for individuals this year. By the end of 2016, they say, every individual and small business will have access to their own secure digital tax account. This, they say, will be like an online bank account. By 2020, businesses and individuals will be able to register, file, pay and update their information at any time online. For many, there will not be a need for a tax return. They emphasise, however, that this is far more than just adding new tools to their existing system. HMRC will collect and process information affecting tax as close to real time as possible. And taxpayers will no longer have to wait until the year end to find out how much they owe. Thus, no surprises, enabling them to plan their financial affairs better. All this sounds very good, doesn't it? Who can object to such a better system? Well, we need to look into how this is all going to be achieved. And this is where the shocks arise. Join me on my next video blog to find out why.